Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to find element codes in Canva in 2025, and I will also share with you what lacks element codes and how some elements don't have any codes. So I will also explain you with that. So let's start with it. So I will go to elements, and first I will show you how to find the element codes. So let me light just silhouette, because as you have seen I use these silhouette elements many times in my designs. So I'll go to graphics and click on see all. So first you have to keep it in mind that you will only find the element codes only in the graphics section and not in photos, videos, frames or something like that. So like for example, I choose this family element and I will click on these three dots. Okay, so after clicking it here, you will see here scrolling down view collection. Just click on it, and as you can see the full set code, which is also known as the element code, it's visible here. Okay, so you can just copy it and save it for future reference. Okay, so let me try it again for karate boy. Okay, as you have seen, I have used this recently in one of my tutorials. So if you are a regular follower, so as you can see this is the character which I used, but when I click on three dots, you can see there is no view collection written, which means that it is not included in the any of the element code section. It means it doesn't have any multiple versions, so you can't find that. Okay, so but in the next image which I just clicked here, you can find the same thing in view collection. Okay, so you can see it is included in this element section. So these have a code. When you when the creator who has created these elements just include multiple elements in bunch or group, so in that case you can find the element codes, while the creators who don't group elements, you can't find it. So I showed you how you can find it and how you can not find it and not get the codes. So in most of the cases it is available, while in some cases you may not find, but you have to keep it in mind every time you want to find the code, just type in your keyword and just visit. Like in the third example I am showing about football, so let's click it in here, and as you can see the same thing, it is not visible here. Okay, so you found that here it is not visible, but when I type in when I click on other one, which is a typography of coal, so you can find here view collection and you can just use it in here. So as you can see, in some cases it is included in groups, so you can find the group code or the element code, but where it is not included you cannot find it. So here is my take, and I hope you can find element codes in Canva in 2025, and I hope it is a explainer video and you can learn something out of it. So if you learned anything out of it, please comment in the video and please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.